Gaze Flabar open racing. It's a scramble for front position. Speak lower. Moving up, Fly Boy in the rail now. Is entry number 3. That's Reading Machine. And passing the winning post, Fly Boy from the outside. One ball with Reading Machine. Moving up now to take third is Cool Shallow. And going along for the first turn, Reading Machine, Fly Boy, fighting it out for the leader. Alain coming up now, Matter of Honor around the outside fourth is Speak Low. Into the back they travel, Reading Machine leading by Fly Boy in second, running in third, Matter of Honor, and watching 4 lengths back now to Speak Low. Here comes Speedy Kim Capricciosa. Entry number 11, Cool Shallow, moving up instant, not the outside, in between horses, or running by the wheels, Go Marines. And inside the last 600, Flyboy Matter of Honor, not the outside, and running in third, Reading Machine. But still Flyboy, and on the outside is Matter of Honor, 4 lengths back now, Reading Machine. Capricciosa also coming into the picture. Towards the final turn, Flyboy, Matter of Honor, Capricciosa. It's still Flyboy and Matter of Honor, Capricciosa. Now the outside with a big run, but still Flyboy, Capricciosa, and finally Capricciosa. Flyboy, Matter of Honor, instant. Speedy Kim, 12, Makalelo.